Hi, today I'm gonna talk about this new product that I got. This is I got it at a discounted rate in order for me to try it and give my opinion about it, so that it helps you better decide whether you wanna, get this product or not. Now, this first off, it's a beverage holder, and it's made of a very good material over here, as you can see. Um, it's high quality stuff. It's not something flimsy or rubbery as you would otherwise see. There is the lining, that the gripper. This is the real gripper, and this is what holds your 30-ounce tumblers in place. So yes, that's right. This is meant for only 30-ounce Yeti cups and not anything less than that. So if you're just thinking that this might go with your smaller tumblers, I'd like to show you that this is a smaller, the regular one that I use for my coffee, and this doesn't go in, right? So I'm just telling you, this is for those people who just get carried away, look at the thing and they just jump at it. So please don't jump at it. Read properly. This is meant for the 30-ounce Yeti tumblers, which currently I don't have, so I can't show you, but I'm gonna get one soon, and it's actually on its way. So that's about that. And once I have it, I will update a picture showing this stuff holding that cup. So far I can just comment on the material and the quality, and also about how it actually looks. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty simple and clean, and you have various other colors on site which you can choose from. And that's about the Cellar Bevworks and your new 30-ounce tumbler handle. It is ergonomically designed, eco-friendly, BPA free, which is very good, FDA approved, recyclable, and dishwasher safe. Now that is something, a huge plus. Just throw it in your dishwasher top rack, and I think that'll take care of it. So that's nice to know. It came in a plastic bag like this. It was a sealed plastic bag, and I'm happy with this purchase. It's just that I can't wait to try it with my new tumbler. So that's about that. Good luck, guys.